Sorry, Janari.
Hey, I'm ill.
Yeah. Huh?
I'm ill. I'm ill.
Yeah.
Hey. I'm red tooth, but you already know that. Turn around, let me take a picture like Kodak. Bounce so hard that the rubber start burning. I know it feel good, I can see her eyes turning. I'm popping, just like my pills. And I can beat it up while you biting on your nails. Back it up, slow down a little. I'm quick to hop in, let me slide in the middle. She ain't got no panties on, and she let a nigga run into my own song. Now I won't miss you, and now I won't kiss you. I take off quick like a nigga was a missile. My name stay buzzing just like my phone. She in love with a nigga cause my hair two-tone. My nigga, I'm buzzing just like my phone. She in love with a nigga cause my hair two-tone. Hop on my roller coaster, be my private chauffeur. Hop on my roller coaster, be my private chauffeur. You know I like whipped cream, I'ma show off. I know it feel good when I lick it off. You know I like whipped cream, I'ma show off. I know it feel good when I lick it off. She a nasty girl, like using fruits. Hop on the roller coaster, start hitting loops, huh? Hey girl, I wanna know your name. They call me Red Deuce with a little bit of fame. And yeah, I'm kinda freaky and I love getting brain. I get it so wet like she slipped in the rain. I beat it out the frame, but my name ain't Hurricane. I'm a rock star, baby, and I ain't gon' change. I'm fly, I'm high, just like I flew. But I don't gotta tell her cause she already knew, huh? Yeah, and I smoke a little. You don't wanna see me when I'm on the skittle. She a beast, ripped off my clothes. Hopped on the same ride 2 times in a row, huh? She a beast, ripped off my clothes. Hopped on the same ride 2 times in a row. Hop on my roller coaster, be my private chauffeur. Hop on my roller coaster, be my private chauffeur. You know I like whipped cream, I'ma show off. I know it feel good when I lick it off. You know I like whipped cream, I'ma show off. I know it feel good when I lick it off. Hop on my roller coaster. Hop on my roller coaster.
Jayhawk Productions.
I love eating pussy, I lick it clean. I love eating pussy, I lick it clean. I love eating pussy, I lick it clean. Lick it clean, lick it clean. I love eating pussy, I 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 lick it clean.
I love eating pussy.
Got 99 pounds, but a bitch ain't one. Cause if I put my tongue in, you know the bitch gon' come. See, I'm a nasty young nigga, girl, you know what I mean. See, I'm a uppercut that pussy till the stars to bleed. Then I clean it all up, mop it up with my tongue. I guess I just play with it, baby, just for the fun. I'ma get you to the have around 5 erections. I love it when you give me those facial expressions. This is so sweet, made me a diabetic. Strap your arm to the bed like a paramedic.
Here, bring that pussy right here. I'ma fuck you till you tear. Have you sprung for a year, bend you open from the rear. Then I get up in there. Legs to the air every time I make her swear like, oh shit, fuck, daddy, keep it right there. 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 Oh shit, fuck, daddy, keep it right there. Yeah, you know me, I do damage. I pop a couple pills and then I let her ass have it. She poppin' like she riding, like she know what she doing. Baby be fiendin', so she get straight to it. I eat it up, I beat it up, I bet you I'ma bruise it. Eyes to the back of her head, she bout to lose it. Yeah, shorty she poppin'. She say when I suck it, I leave her pussy thriving. Rock will be the name and I can fuck you all night. I got a taste for you, girl, now feed my appetite. And I know you want me, know you wanna fuck me so proper. Breathe, she wanna scream that like an opera. She like my style, she on my shit like ain't no other rapper keep me horny like this. Then I lay her down, put my tongue on it, and baby be saying all kind of shit like, oh shit, fuck, daddy, keep it right there. 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 Oh shit, fuck, daddy, keep it right there. She need that, that's gon' come with a fee. If she a scuff bitch, she ain't fucking with me. On my daddy R.I.P. I be going so hard on these hoes. I tell them I like dykes, now they all wanna go both ways. Like them hoes lost at a stop sign. Yeah, she nasty, tryna get ratchet. I told her bring your friend, let both of them bitches have it. They say they pussy dope and Reezy bout the bag. I'ma do it how I do it, baby. I'ma do the most, but I ain't licking so fucked up, and I think that she about to get a nut, cause she talking like,
oh shit, fuck daddy, keep it right there. 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 Keep it right there.
Mustard.
I spend my daytime, while in my nighttime, grinding. I switch my number twice, but them bitches keep calling. I'm a bad time, while in my nighttime, grinding. I switch my number twice, but them bitches keep calling. I'm a bitch, yeah, cut. That's about me, I'm a brawler. I know all the goons,
And they know me as a goblin.
I come from the stars, but I'm cool with all the Martians. And no, that ain't a car, that's spaceship parking. I didn't bring my dogs, but the bass keep barking. Will do, bend over to my dork. And they know I ain't a Muslim, cause your boy gets porking. Hey, I'm a bad mama jammer. I'm too legit to quit with the arm and hammer. I'm blowing on that purple, y'all can keep that boo boo hammer.
What did it say? Go ahead, say it. Go ahead, say it. Say it. I don't know.